can't ride the dirt bikes around anymore.
Oh, you talking about what Grandpa said?
Yeah, Grandpa's saying we're being way too rowdy. Spinning around them corners. It's not good. Hearing all that brapping. We need to figure out something else to do.
What are we gonna do?
Get the rest of the bikes running.
Moving out to place. Fill the place. You don't know my names. You want me to last. You want me to last. But I don't expect you for more than the quest to lie in the west. And I'm so but if you don't believe in yourself, well, you won't find more than a drop of a place. But if you don't believe in yourself, well, you won't find more than a dirty place.
We gotta figure out something in the meantime. Some sort of project, something fun.
I'm sure there was a thing or two to do around here.
Rivers.
It doesn't
kayaks,
include fun, but
a whole lot of beer.
got some beer.
I think Dad's working on the Toyota.
If you're coming down the west, please back it.
Oh shit.
Good.
Toyota
Put the
going.
Toyota back together.
Get some river rides.
Some river ride action going.
If you're moving out to place, fill the place. You don't know my names. You want me to last. You want me to last. But I don't expect you for more than the quest to lie in the west. And I'm so but if you don't believe in yourself, well, you won't find more than a drop of a place. But if you don't believe in yourself, well, you won't find more than a dirty place. If you're coming down the west, please be my guest. If you're moving out of your place, fill the place. You're welcome among my lips. You want me to last. You want me to last. But I don't expect to find more than the quest to lie in the west. And I'm so
Sounds like a plan.
And then get a dirt bike.
Yeah.
Dirt bike.